Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be the first video that will be live from my channel. So I'm quite excited. This channel is going to be having videos related to travel. So I thought why not start it from the place where I live. So yeah, today I will be going for a short staycation to a resort near Bhubaneswar. So it's a half an hour drive from the city, main city. It's the name of the resort is Chandika Nature Resort. So Chandika is a well-known place in Bhubaneswar in the district of Khurda. Everyone mostly knows it. So yeah, there's a nature resort called Chandika Nature Resort. So we will be going there for a short weekend staycation, just to relax and chill and get a break from daily routine. So it's been a while I have traveled, like it's been more than 2 months. I think last I've traveled during April. So now it's July. So I thought just going for a short staycation would really help. So here I am. I will be going with my friends and my sister, and I will show you along how it is, what all activities you can do, what all amenities the nature resort provide, and yeah, everything about it. So stay tuned, and yeah, if you like this video, please do like it, share it, comment on it, and please subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So guys, we are all set for the trip, like the small weekend staycation trip. So here are my sister friends. We are going in two-wheelers along with a helmet, which is of utmost importance. Please carry your helmet whenever you are traveling. So yeah, I will see you on the way. Yeah, mask and helmet.
तो हमारी जर्नी जो है वो स्टार्ट हुई सुबह 8 बजे फ्रॉम पटिया भुवनेश्वर, और रिज़ॉर्ट हमारे घर से 25 किलोमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे था, विच वुड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली टेक 45 मिनट्स. एज इट वाज सैटरडे तो शट डाउन था, विच इज़ वाई वी गॉट आउट अर्ली फ्रॉम होम. रास्ता काफ़ी खाली था एंड द वेदर वॉज रियली अमेजिंग. धूप बिल्कुल भी नहीं था एंड इट वॉज क्लाउडी ऑल द वे फ्रॉम वेयर वी स्टार्टेड. ट्रिप्स में आई फील डेस्टिनेशन से ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड मैं जर्नी के लिए रहती हूँ. आई ट्राई एंड एन्जॉय द राइड, रास्ते में चेंजिंग लैंडस्केप्स एंड द थ्रिल अबाउट रीचिंग द डिज़ायर्ड डेस्टिनेशन. दुकानें सारी बंद थी एंड भूख भी बहुत ज़्यादा लगी थी, बिकॉज जल्दी निकलना था, तो इस चक्कर में घर से कुछ खा के भी नहीं आए थे. फिर बहुत देर ढूंढने के बाद we got a small shop selling piping hot vada and aloo chops. So we got some packed along and proceeded towards the resort. जैसे ही हम रिजॉर्ट के करीब आते गए, the sky looked more prettier. और ये हम पहुंच गए थे रिजॉर्ट पे.
हाय गाइस, सो वी हैव रीच टू द रिज़ॉर्ट और अब हम यहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट करने वाले हैं. हमने रास्ते से ही ब्रेकफास्ट ले लिया था. सो या हियर इट इज़. देयर आर सम वड़ा एंड सम घुगनी एज वी कॉल इन उड़ीसा. या सो अभी हम डाइनिंग स्पेस में हैं, वहाँ पे अपना ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं. आफ्टर आवर ब्रेकफास्ट वी विल बी चेकिंग इन टू आवर रूम. तो उसके बाद मैं आपके साथ अपना रूम का टूर और इस जगह का एक शॉर्ट टूर में शेयर करने वाली हूँ. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. दिस इज द एंट्रेंस गाइस फॉर द रिजॉर्ट, एंड as you can see, there's a lot of flora and fauna. I can see a lot of plants and butterflies all over. All kind of insects also are there because of obvious reasons. So yeah, this is the parking space. You can see here parking, no vehicle beyond this point. So now we'll proceed. This is such beautiful place. You can find a lot of peace. I'm already loving it. Like for a weekend getaway, this is a perfect place. A lot of plantation you can see over here. And yeah, I can see all kind of plants, everything. Yeah, it's a beautiful place. That's the sitting area where you can, like the dining area. This is the dining area where you can have your meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner. That is served over there. And this is the overall view. And here we have two lovely dogs. Hey! Hi! Hi! Yeah, hello! Yeah.
This concept is something I really liked about the property, wherein they're recycling and reusing the plastic bottles as planters, that to such stylish way. It's really impressive. Okay, now let me take you to the pool area, where the pool is surrounded by greenery all around, and there's a hall near the pool where parties or events are held. Although the water in the pool was quite clean, but adhering to the COVID protocol, we did not use it anyway. We just took some photographs and videos over there. There were hibiscus trees on both the sides, which added so much beauty to this place. The garden had a swing chair in the middle of it where you can sit and admire the nature. There was a small pond with lotus blossoms. This is where all the cottages were. Let me take you to ours.
Here हम लोग का cottage. And this is the room. तो रूम में हमको एक बेड मिलेगा. You have a TV over here. Here you have a mirror. You have the AC. Then यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा सोफ़ा दिया हुआ है, सिटिंग एरिया है. यहाँ पे एक टेबल है. Here's the खिड़की where you can get awesome views from all over. बाहर थोड़ी थोड़ी हवा चल रही है. Then यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा मैट्रेस दिया हुआ है. This is the bathroom. Here also you have another खिड़की. This is the khidki you have. Then this one you have as the balcony, the beautiful part of this room, the most beautiful part of this room. और यहाँ पे हम लोग का लेक है. Here you have other cottages as well. So yeah. Hi guys, as you can see, हम लोग रेडी हो चुके हैं. और yeah, this is how I look right now. And here I have Suraj. Okay. So इसके बाद हम लोग कहाँ जाते हैं, क्या क्या करते हैं, इसका डिटेल मैं आपको बताऊँगी, आपको दिखाऊँगी ऑब्वियसली. So बने रहिए इस वीडियो में. And yeah, I hope you like the room. I will give the details for the resort in the description box. If you like this room and the views and the awesome balcony, which I think is the most beautiful part of this room, then do give a look in the description. I will provide the details. So it's lunch time now. वो वाला ले आओ. Lunch में we have dal, rice, roti, some fries, salad, pamper and chicken.
This is the passage area, which is also the way to the cottages. Look how beautiful it was. And here's the boat where you can paddle and boat all around the lake. This place was so lit that it actually gave some halka sa Kerala vibes. Then we came across the jungle part with bamboo swings and tree house. The resort has a lot of variety and something for each one as far as activities are concerned. Then we had this floating restaurant which was tied on both the sides using ropes, which you can use and float towards the middle of the lake and have an amazing view and relax. After this, we had some evening snacks by the lake and soon it was dark. Dinner was served at 9:30, which I could not shoot. And after having dinner, we went to our respective rooms and called it a night. Next day सुबह उठते ही I howled towards the balcony for the view, but it was too late for the kind of view I was expecting, which was sunrise view, because it was already 9:30 in the morning. Nonetheless, the water and greenery surrounding it made for a dreamy Sunday morning. Then we headed to have our breakfast in the dining area. In breakfast, they served us puri, paratha, aloo dum, and some fresh farm-plucked guavas. The fresh fruit was yum. Also, breakfast was yum. Breakfast के बाद we visited the farms in the property which had plenty of mango trees, papaya trees, guava trees and lot more. We also visited the backyard and came across these cuties. After this, we spotted a trampoline just behind the dining area and quickly had our hands on them.
Hi guys, so yeah, today is the day we will be checking out. We had our breakfast and yeah, we got a bit fresh and had some good coffee, and now we will be leaving this place. We'll be checking out. Again, it will be a half an hour or 45 minutes journey back home. So yeah, this was the end to a beautiful staycation, short, relaxing, chilling staycation somewhere away from the city, and I'm glad I did it. And yeah, do share if you like it or not, and if you need any information regarding this resort, I have mentioned everything relating to this resort, every detail like the contact number and the booking and everything, how much it costs and everything. I have linked in the description box. If you want, you can check it out, and yeah, please do give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Then we checked out from the hotel and took hibiscus cuttings as a souvenir from the manager, which was really sweet of him. So this was the end of this short beautiful escape from the daily routine. Hope you liked this video. If yes, then please do give a big thumbs up and share this with your friends. If you want to plan something like this, I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.